Hi, everybody. I hope remote learning is going well for you and nobody is too stressed. Ms. Gill and Ms. Challenger are going to send out an email that is going to give us directions on our online ordering. For some of you, I thought it would be best if we posted a video so that you could see step by step of how you're going to log in and complete your order. So the first thing you're going to do is when you log on to Google, you are going to type in EdData. When you type in EdData, you can hit enter. The first thing that pops up should be Educational Data Services, the educated way to purchase. If it's not, you want to look for this website, www.ed-data.com. When you click on that, it's going to have two sides. It's going to have the red side and it's going to have the blue side. We want to log into the red side. When the red side pops up, the first thing you're going to have to do is type our district code. Now mine is stored on the computer, some may not be. So our district code is #A. You are then going to type your username. If this is the first time you are logging in, your username and your password are the same. It will ask you to change your password the first time you log in to something more difficult. So for me, this is not the first time I'm logging in, so my password has already been changed. You're going to come to this screen where it says My Requisitions, and it's going to have a bunch of categories here. This is how you're going to start a new requisition. Now, for example, if you're just looking for general classroom supplies, you would click General Classroom Supplies, and it will take you to create a requisition. Now, the awarded vendor is already School Specialty. So School Specialty will automatically be where you're ordering from on this requisition. If you don't know what the numbers are in School Specialty, you can click this blue arrow, and the blue arrow will bring up a little box. The little box is going to say continue to website or cancel request. You want to hit continue to website so that the School Specialty textbook comes up so that you can find the number of what you would like to purchase. So here, if you decide that you want to purchase pencils, for example, you could type in pencils and all of the pencils will come up. And then the blue number right above what it says it is, this is the number that you would type in to your requisition saying that you want to order it. Once you add the amount, you're going to submit requisition so that Ms. Gill and Ms. Challenger can approve it. Now, if you want to hold it and come back and still check some things that you want to order, you can hold the requisition and it will keep it right on your main screen. Now, for those of you who want to start a requisition in Staples, for example, Staples is located under our office and computer supplies. So when you start a requisition under office and computer supplies, Staples will be the contract that automatically pops up. The same thing, if you hit the blue button, it will open a book for you so that you can find the numbers. However, if you go under some other different categories, for example, like science supplies. Science supplies has a lot of different vendors that are awarded. So as you start your requisition, you have to select a vendor. So one of these can be a vendor that you use for science, but you need to choose one before you do your requisition. And then every time you do a requisition, if it's a new company, you have to start a new requisition. Okay? When you go back to my requisitions when I log on, I can see the 3 that are on hold that I just opened, and I can go back and I can edit it at any time. Now, you must submit your requisitions by April 24th, which is a Friday, so that Ms. Gill and Ms. Challenger have enough time to approve. Please make sure that you do not order any K-Cups, candy, air fresheners, fans, refrigerator, or anything that's not actually school supplies because the requisition will get denied. If you have any questions, you can send me an email. I am on all day, and I have no problem helping you. I hope this video was helpful. Have a good day.